Hello students, today we are going to learn our chapter number 4, that is Microsoft Excel. In previous video we have discussed about what is Microsoft Excel and the different parts of it. Now in this video we'll be discussing about how to enter data in Microsoft Excel. So let us start our today's class. Entering data. So what do you mean by entering data? Entering data means whatever the thing which you are entering in the cell, that is known as data. So how you can enter that data in the cells, we will be discussing that thing in this class. So follow the given steps to enter data in Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Open the worksheet with the steps taught earlier. This means you have to open the Microsoft Excel with the different steps which we have discussed in earlier videos. Step number 2. Click on the cell in which you want to enter text. The cell will become an active cell. Step 3. Type the text from the keyboard in the cell. Step 4. Click on the next cell to enter text in it. Step 5. Type the text from the keyboard in the cell. Repeat the above two steps to enter text in other cells. So these are the different steps about how you can enter data in Microsoft Excel. So the small boxes which are there in Excel are known as cells. So we'll be entering data in these small cells. So let us see the video about how we can enter data in Microsoft Excel. So follow this video so that you are more clear about how to insert data in Excel. Okay, so these small boxes are known as cells. So here you can see how we are entering data in this small cells. So here we have made a sheet of students having different roll numbers. Okay, so this is how you can enter data in Microsoft Excel. That is, whenever you click on the cell, then it becomes an active cell. When it becomes an active cell, then you can type on that. Whatever you want, you can just type on it. You can see whenever I'm clicking on the small cell, then only I'm able to write on it. Otherwise, we are not able to write anything in other cells. Okay, so this is how you can insert data in Microsoft Excel. So remember here that unless and until your cell does not become an active cell, then you cannot enter data in it, or you cannot type on it. Okay, so this is how you can enter data in Microsoft Excel. So I'll show you what is an active cell. For example, assume this as your worksheet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E and F. So these are the different rows and columns which you are having over here. Okay, so if I want to enter data in this part, in this box, then unless and until it does not become an active cell, then it will not work. Active cell means unless until it does not become highlighted in this form. So highlighted means when its border becomes bold. Okay, so whenever you are selecting a cell, then it becomes highlighted. That means it becomes in green color. Okay, I'll show you in green color. For example, in this I want. Okay, so whenever I'm clicking over this, then it becomes highlighted with a green color. And when it is highlighted with a green color, that means it is an active cell. And when it becomes an active cell, then you can enter data in it. Otherwise, when you want to enter data over here, and if you have not selected it, then you cannot enter data in it because it is not an active cell. So for making a cell active, you just have to click on the cell wherever you want to make it active. Okay, so if I want to make a cell active over here, then I'll click over here and this will become an active cell with this highlighted form. And pay attention over here, when we are making this cell active, then this becomes deactive. This will not work over there. Okay. So for example, I'm selecting this, then it becomes active. So if I want again this cell to be active, then just click over here. Okay, you can see when I'm clicking over here, then this cell becomes an active cell. Okay, so this is the main part of how you can enter data in the Excel. Okay, so I hope you all are clear about this, how to enter data in Microsoft Excel. So we'll be discussing about how to save this workbook in the next class. Okay, and rest of the topics in the next class. So I hope you all are clear. Until then, thank you.